Hey guys, my name is Lindy and welcome to When In. Today we're visiting one of Samar Island National Park called Ulot River, located in the municipality of Paranas, Samar. The park is open Monday to Sunday from 9 a.m. until 4 p.m. Our exploration starts at the base of the camp. We are briefed of the history of the river and the safety guidelines while we're in the park. Once the briefing is done, we were given a mandatory life jackets. Charges for the ride is 1,892 peso per boat, not per person, but these prices might have increased by now. Each boat can fit 8 people in total, with 3 of them being the guides. These 3 will have specific role how to get us to the main park safely. The person at the back is the helmsman, controlling the boat. The person in the middle is the drainer of the water that fills in the boat. And the person in the front stares out of the rocks that can't be done from the back control. During the briefing, we were told sitting still is a must in the boat, and you can see why. The boat doesn't come with the usual wings for balance to prevent it from capsizing, but it's wider than the typical fishing boat style. Going back will take longer as we must fight against the current, which they call the salmon swim. This is because we must go through extreme water current, and in a lot of spots, the boat must navigate rocks and water pools, which is not ideal for a boat with wings. There is also no store or places you can buy food once you arrive at the main park. You are allowed to bring your own food, but make sure to clean after yourselves and not leave any trash behind. It will take about 45-minute boat ride to the main park and 1-hour ride back to the base. There is also no phone signal in the area. So if you're always glued to your phone, you will be very disappointed because it doesn't exist there.
Kuya, okay ka ba?
Hello.
Ang ganda dito. Kunwari ikaw, Pod. Ano man? Kunwari ikaw. Kunwari ikaw, Pod, Joy.
Ano? For the views!
Uy, sorry. Ano na, sige nga na ako. Bye-bye!
Hi, Canadian. Okay lang.
Hi, vlog! Bye, vlog! Uy, wag mo kayo maipin! Sarap! Bye-bye, Ben! Ay, bastos! We go first!
Going back was a bit of a struggle. If they couldn't get through the gaps of the rocks, we would have had to get off the boat for a bit, and since there's a lot of us, the boat was a bit heavier. I was actually pretty excited to get off the boat and walk the rocky area, but our guides pulled through, so we stayed.
Ano ba tayo? Ano ba, kuya? Ano ba ako na?
So, what do you think of the water park? Would you visit?